Welcome back. Now, one of the things that we can do to make our SharePoint even more productive is to connect outside applications to our activity. So for example, there are connectors for Trello, Twitter, and Wunderlist if that's one that you use. There are connections for Facebook pages as well as MailChimp. You may recognize the connection for GetResponse, and this activity helps us to share appropriately inside of our SharePoint. For example, if we choose GetResponse, we can click Create after we create a name. And what happens is once we set up the API with GetResponse, we can have automatic notifications when someone opens an email, when someone clicks a particular link, when someone buys a product online, and we can designate these things based on our GetResponse account. And we can have those things updating inside of our SharePoint. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to check for the applications that you're already using, and then you'll want to build a connector into your SharePoint account for the most appropriate updates. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.